guys, good morning to today's video. So right, I'm at the Puns in Rima. If you know, you know. I'm doing my penny. I'm doing a pedicure and a manicure. So right now my foot is in the water because I just reached. I'm gonna do short nails as usual. So I'm gonna do my hair. My birthday is March 19th. Woo! So yeah, I don't know when you guys are seeing this video. Maybe it could be before or after, maybe on the same day. But the air video will be in a different video because that's going to be tomorrow. I'm not sure if I might combine everything, depends on how much clips I get for today. But yeah guys, let's doll down, you know say? You know, I always say doll up and the more I do my eyebrow and barber shop. And we can do it at town. Let's say though. Come on, plan to go at town too, so yeah. Very short and classy, very demure. So I'll keep you posted on what's happening. Very much demure. So that. My nails are finished, and get you a nail tech on your birthday. You get a birthday cake. That is it. Happy birthday to you. So yeah guys, so yeah. As Mauricio, I end up stop at Popeyes. Spicy. If you go to Popeyes, you guys, what do you normally get? Mild or spicy leg and rib? And so look at the nails. Let me show you guys that my nails properly though. But yeah. So guys, these are the nails. Guys, so before I start my hair, I'm going to buy something to eat because when this starts, I get up and stop. So I'll go one part, I'll go to a cook shop and buy one small food. So yeah.
My wife passed away last year. Robert and I disagreed about care.
Justice system, sexually based offenses are considered especially heinous. In New York City, the dedicated detectives who investigate these vicious felonies are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
So guys, I'm actually editing the vlog right now to upload it right now. So I just did some small knotless braids and do my nails. So the plan is to go to like a river. Actually depends on how I feel, because you know me, I'm just boring. I just stay inside and watch land people. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the birthday wishes. I really do appreciate it. I'm coming back, guys, don't worry. I know, yeah, I've been MIA for a while, but I'm back. First, I'm actually doing that list though. So that's it. People don't really have nothing much to say. Once I just document my lifestyle. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for the love and support over the years. But what I can say for like 2 upcoming videos I'm aware of. I want this under my eye. Oh yeah. We'll have Ochi Carnival coming up. We'll have Jamaica Carnival coming up, and some other stuff in between. But you guys can stay tuned for that. I want to go downtown today to our barber shop to trim my eyebrow, so I may do that tomorrow instead. I was planning to go to town, but can't be bothered. So yeah, so big up on myself, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get a few things off Shein right now as well, because they have some good deals. Or I might just do the buy one get for free and still save back some money. Yeah, I can do that. That means I'm gonna try to get some code. So yeah, might not come get more things though. Come can spend $10 and get enough things. You might have buy one or buy 2 get. But anyways, guys, let me go ahead and edit this video for y'all. But people, look at my nails. Look at my nails. Oh, look at the nails though. The nails though. But anyways, that's it for me. So I'll see you guys in the next upload. Peace.